10 days of easy Asian recipes. Let's make black pepper, cabbage, pork belly stir fry. Let's make our sauce. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon. 1/2 teaspoon of monosodium glutamate. 1 teaspoon of black pepper. 1 cup of water. Whisk it in. Now let's set this aside.
Next, on high heat, add oil to pan or to a wok if you have one. Once your oil is heated up, go ahead and add in your minced garlic. Go ahead and stir your minced garlic until it becomes fragrant. Once it becomes fragrant, go ahead and add in your pork belly. We're going to give it another stir and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Depending if you want your pork belly to be a bit more crispy, go ahead and fry it for a couple more minutes. Now let's add in our sliced cabbage, your onions, and we're going to give it another stir. Of course, it's a lot of stirring, right? It is stir fry. Cook for the next 2 or 3 minutes. That recipe is getting a workout today. Now let's go ahead and add in our beautiful, delicious sauce. We're going to give it another stir and let it simmer this time, 2 to 3 minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, just like that, we are done. Go ahead and turn off the heat and dinner is served. This dish goes so well with jasmine rice or glutinous sticky rice. This is one of my go-to comfort meals. Let me fix this a little bit. Being a little extra here. I'm gonna make it look good for you guys. Look at how juicy that is. I'm gonna create a perfect bite for you guys. I like to pour the juice of the stir fry on my rice and get a little bit of the pork belly and cabbage. Look at that.
It's so good, guys. It's delicious. The kids will love this. Make it for your niece, nephews, and your kids. They will love this. Simple. Good for gas, good for anything, you know? You wanna go, come home from work, want something fast.